And as the name implies, it's a carbon fiber build that weighs in at just 29 pounds. Now, one of the advantages of the lightweight is it is a lot easier to handle. It's less clumsy, super easy to fold. And just look how small it gets.
I think the Utopia Carbon Fold 1 is a very welcome addition to the lightweight and affordable e-bike category. The Carbon Fold 1 hit a lot of key marks. It offers a smooth pedaling experience and extra efficiency with the torque sensor. It's easy to fold. Hiding it away in a closet at home is super convenient, and it takes up much less room than other folding options. I love that you can just pop it in the trunk or back seat so easily. No need to mess with a bike rack. And for RVers or a convenient storage solution, it easily fits in a tote. It comes with fenders, integrated lighting, and decent components like the Shimano Altus drivetrain and Tektro hydraulic disc brakes. The frame's latch, display, and lighting are seamlessly integrated, making for a sleek and functional design aesthetic. The cable routing through the handlebars and frame is clean and doesn't hinder the folding operation, and the included fenders were pre-installed, making the easiest unboxing experience I've had to date.